name is Paulo Galarce. So what I do for a living is I'm a solar expert. I design systems to help my community with renewable energy. But my passion is in music and in filmmaking. I got into music, it started in church, like most great musicians. I started playing guitar. And then from there, I moved on to bass, keyboard, piano. And as soon as I got into junior high, 'cause I started at 11, I went into symphonic instruments, played trombone, baritone, tuba. I was in marching band, played symphonic bands, and had a great time playing with the marching band. There was a boating accident last year in December. We were fishing in Corpus, and the captain ran up on a shallow shoal. I went flying, and my instinct was to immediately grab myself to the first thing I could, and I did. Helped me for the most part. But when I looked later, it seemed I could see the bicep of my arm was detached, so the tendon came off. When I saw my arm, first thing I thought was, am I now disabled? Am I now a handicapped person? It was very surreal to me because I'm a very physical person. I'm very cerebral, but I'm also very physical. I like to do things. I'm a hands-on person. I like to fix my musical instruments. I like to carry my kids. I like to fix the things around my house. And when I saw that, it was very scary in the sense that I didn't think it was going to be myself anymore. I went to Dr. Saeed to help me with a bicep tendon repair. The staff was very amazing. I was very impressed with the treatment and the care of the staff. Since then, once I got the surgery done and I saw my bicep back where it was, and I knew I was going to be back to normal, I was so excited and so happy to see that I got a second chance at life, a second chance at life. And to be able to play my instruments again, that was one of the ultimate things for me. To be able to play with my children again, and then love my wife again. These things were extremely important to me, and so I'm very grateful to heaven and to Dr. Saeed for helping me get that second chance back.